All right, everybody, welcome to part 2 of the backyard rehab. So we were working over there, and now we're gonna kind of switch gears to the side yard. Over here on this little hump, that's where one of the smaller trees that got blown over in the storm was years ago, which we planted over. But we have these two other trees that are a lot smaller, but clearly dead. This one here, you can see the top broke off and is just kind of sitting there. So originally all the trees we were going to plant were going to be in the back part of the yard, but we do have a fig tree, and I think it would actually probably be better over here in its own little area. So we're going to go ahead and cut these trees down and get the stumps ready to get pulled out. Alright, so we got both these trees cut down. This bigger one kind of had a weird bow in it, so we ended up hooking the quad to it just to make sure it went where we wanted it to, which worked out good. So now we're just going to go ahead and limb these up and cut up the logs and add them to the fire pile. So our fire is pretty much burnt down. All that stuff was very dry. It's obviously been dead for a while, so that worked out pretty good. Over here we've got it pretty much everything raked up and burnt. So really we just have these two stumps to deal with, and then there's a little bit of stumps and stuff from the brush that was there that got removed last year, but might just wait, let that rot out through the winter, and then these are small enough to where we should be able to just pull them right out with a